Ciao everyone, this is a short video announcement of a really fun Italian wine dinner that we're going to be doing. It's going to be focused on the region of Sardinia in Italy. And from my opinion, Sicily became kind of the cool area in Italy about 10, 12 years ago for food and wine and travel. Now it's Sardinia. So if you want to learn all about this region that everybody's talking about, Tommy's going to tell you more about the evening that we're going to be doing.
Yeah, we're going to take a real tour through the magical land known as Sardinia. It's an island in the middle of the Mediterranean, so we're going to focus on grapes that are indigenous to that place, but also have influences from all over: Spain, France, the mainland of Italy. We're going to be focusing on a variety of wines: Vermentino, Cannonau, which some of you might know as granache or garnacha, and then another great one is carignano, which is just in this very specific but beautiful part of Sardinia. And we're really excited to focus on the wines of Sardinia, but also pairing all those with the great food cuisine that comes from Sardinia, because it's super unique. They do things in Sardinia that you don't see anywhere else in Italy. So we're really excited. It's going to be $92, July 10th, which is a Wednesday. And we're really excited to take you on a tour of this beautiful island paradise just off the coast of Italy.
Beautiful. Ciao everyone.